Good morning and welcome to day 2 of the first week of TDEC's virtual summer camp. This week's activities will be targeted at K through 2nd grade, but we encourage viewers of all ages to follow along. Today is Trash Reduction Tuesday, and we will be doing a fun upcycling craft turning plastic jugs into elephants. So for this craft, you will need a milk jug, and we will talk about milk jugs and recycling here along the way. Also, we've got some tissue paper that we just saved over birthday parties, and we made those into little bitty strips, which will be to color your jug, which will be your elephant. So we have some safe scissors for the kiddos, but we might need a little help cutting the plastic. Also a marker to mark your areas to cut, some eyes for our elephant, and some glue. And that is all you need. So Bowen, are you about ready to get started on this project?
Yes.
Okay, so now what we have done is we took our milk jug and we cut the bottom of the handle, which will actually be the trunk for the elephant. And we did our best to draw some straight lines and cut out little spots on 4 sides to make the legs. So now what we're going to do next is we are going to take our glue and our tissue paper and we are going to color up our elephant. Are you ready, Bo?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it.
Do I do a lot?
You're doing great. So now what Bowen is demonstrating is how we color our elephant. He's putting a little dab of glue on the plastic jug, and then he's putting the tissue paper, making it colorful. Can you keep finishing that up, Bowen?
Yep. Can I put it in the middle of this?
Sure. So something to know about plastic is that it takes a really, really long time to break down into the dirt, and it can take up to 1,000 years in landfills. Another cool fact is that at the bottom of the milk jug and then other plastic containers, you'll see a 3-arrow triangle with a number inside that tells you what type of plastic it is. So typically you can find numbers from 1 to 7. So that means you need to check your plastics before you throw it away. Check the number and also put it in recycling. We got some flyaways. Put it in the recycling bin very clean. See, when you recycle things like milk jugs, you want to make sure all the plastic is clean. Now, one thing to remember is there's 2 things that you probably see a lot that actually don't go in the recycling bin. And that's your plastic bags like you get at the store, and also straws. So making sure it's clean and checking your numbers to make sure that it is recyclable in your area is really an important thing that you can do to help in your house. So we're going to let Bowen go ahead and finish covering this up, and then we're going to put our eyes on and show our finished product. Okay, so now Bowen, did we get all the plastic covered? Looks like we did. We got a really colorful elephant. So what's left to do?
Put the bubbly eyes.
Yeah, so we are going to glue some bubbly eyes on there. If you don't have bubbly eyes, another thing, we just had that laying around the house, but you could just use some white paper, cut out some circles, and do some black markers for the eyes. So let's go ahead and do the final part, Bo. Where do you want to put those eyes?
I'm going to put them over here and here.
Okay, so put some glue where it goes.
I'm going to put it here.
Okay. Maybe a little higher so it'll be flat on a little higher, like right there. Did we close our cap?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you want to always make sure you close your cap in between project stuff so it doesn't start drying out. Let's open it back up. And put it right up here. There you go. Try your eyeball there.
Okay, so I'll try to put this one on. Oops.
Maybe a little more glue. Let's see. Put it up there. Oh, cool. And here's our other one. You want to put the other eye on?
Okay, but where is it?
Let's see. Here it is.
Oh. Thank you.
All right. So that is our colorful little elephant made from plastic milk jugs. All right, so here we are. Thank you for following along with us on this Trash Reduction Tuesday. We hope you had fun and learned a little bit about ways you can upcycle your waste into art, reduce waste from going into the landfill, and other ways just to keep it from going in the ground and polluting our earth. This video will also be made available on our Instagram account, State of Sustainability, and our webpage. And the link will be provided in this post. So be sure to tune in tomorrow at 10 a.m. for Wildlife Wednesday. Bowen, did you have fun making this elephant? Yeah, and we'll have a lot of jugs because we make a lot of chocolate milk, don't we? All right, can you tell everybody bye?
Bye.